We will make delicate flowers out of paper doilies. You can leave the doilies blank, or you can decorate the edges with a brush pen. You can add a few brush strokes over the decorative part of the doily. Cut the center of the doily out, leaving at least 1 centimeter below the decorative part. Apply glue over the non-decorative segment. Start rolling the segment of doily into a rose, creating ruffles at the bottom. You need to create small folds while rolling the paper around the center of the rose. Keep working. Apply glue to the end of the doily segment and press it to the layer above. You can use these roses for making a garland, or use them as table decorations. This is what the doily rose looks like when no brush pen is used.